Hello and welcome to this disassembly video of the 02C85 hydraulic fluid section. To perform this disassembly, we will be using the following tools: a table vise, a needle nose pliers, a smaller size vise grip, a 10mm deep well socket, a large and medium size adjustable wrench, a flat blade screwdriver, along with a strap style wrench.
Begin by putting the strap wrench onto the cylinder to secure it as you use the large adjustable to loosen and unscrew the lower suction valve from the cylinder. Once it's loosened, you can reverse the strap and give the cylinder a couple turns to loosen that, and then remove the suction valve from the cylinder by hand. Once it is removed, you'll use the vice grips to clamp on the retaining ring and twist and pull up, and that will remove the retaining ring from the suction valve. Now that that is removed, that will allow the ball to be released from the seat in the suction valve. Then you'll take a pick to remove the O-ring for the cylinder. Don't worry about damaging any of the O-rings, as they all will be replaced during the rebuild. Then you can finish unscrewing the cylinder from the lower flange. Once that is removed, you'll inspect the inside of the cylinder for any wear or damage. Set that aside. Then using the 10mm socket and wrench, you can unloosen the retaining nut, the fluid valve, removing the support, the valve seal, and the valve plate. And again, using the 10mm socket and wrench, you loosen the 3 nuts supporting the lower flange to the tie rods. You can remove it from the vise. You can also use the 10mm socket to loosen the bolt for the ground strap. And once that's removed, you can set it aside, and then using the socket again, finish removing the 3 nuts supporting the lower flange. Once those are removed, you can slide the flange off. Then using a flat blade screwdriver, you can pry off the retaining ring to the cartridge. Then using your thumbs, you can push it through to the lower side. Again, using a pick to remove the cylinder ring from the lower flange. Set that aside. You do not need to remove the ring from the cartridge, as we will be replacing the cartridge and it comes with the ring on the rebuild. Remove the protective cover, and then using your needle nose pliers to pull out the cotter pin, then remove the access pin from the piston, releasing the piston, and that completes it. So this concludes the 02C85 fluid section disassembly. Thanks for watching.